Hi guys, it is Cami, and if you guys didn't know, I just started my online class, which is now on Patreon. You can find it in the caption, you guys. All you gotta do is just click on Patreon. Patreon is an app that you can download for free, sign up for free, and take my online courses there. So I already uploaded 2 classes, and this will be my 3rd class, all right? So my 3rd class is on how to create single spikes that stay in place. Here is an example of a mega volume strip lash look. See, you see my spikes up here? Look at this, you guys. You see this? Look, no matter how much I brush it out, look at this. It stays in place. You see this? And this is what you're gonna learn. I have a secret to this, you know what I mean? I've got my lashes done before, and trust me, oh my God, I got mega volume lashes because I love mega volume, but I also love my mega volumes to be like spiky and wispy on the top. So I would go to different artists and get my lashes done. And I also too took classes, you know, on how to do it. And at the end of the day, it looks good on a reels and it looks good on a photo. But when you go home, look, you brush it out and it goes crazy, but not with my lashes. And you guys want to take this class because it's crucial. It is vital. It is very important, because if you don't take my class, this is how it's going to look, guys. Look, let me show you. Look, this is a prime example. You see this, you guys? Look, this is, look, when you put, look, spikes on the top layer, look, it goes everywhere. Look, you see? When I brush my, oh God, look, you see? Look, and this flips up right here. Look, you're gonna have what? Look, see? Oh, no, oh hell no. Don't be a catfish lash artist. It's already bad enough that you guys are catfishing on Instagram and on your dating app. But you can't catfish a client, okay? You can't. So I'm gonna show you how to go from this catfish spiky to this. Look at this. Oh my, where? It's not going anywhere. Look, oh, look, it's not going anywhere. Ah. So make sure that you subscribe to my Patreon to take all of my online courses, and make sure, you guys, that you subscribe to my YouTube, turn on your notifications, and watch. I'm gonna download a lot of videos, you guys, so watch all of my YouTube videos, and make sure that you take this class right here, which is how to create single spikes that stay in place. So guys, there is no sealant, there is no bonder on here. Like, and you can just brush, look, I'm gonna brush it out, look, see, no sealant, no bonder, brushing it out, look at that, look, and I'm going in, look, look, see, it just stays like that, guys. This is not a catfish fucking spiky fan. Oh, look, I love it.